sabi dito guys, ano daw to? Chinese noodles. Ewan ko, ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yung Chinese noodles na yun? Tikman natin guys. Tara, tikman natin. Yan. Okay. Try natin. Sarap. I-bend natin konti yung cam. Para hindi lang mukha ko ang makikita. Oh, Sarap. In fairness, masarap naman guys ang kanilang vegetable noodles. You wanna try the gingerbread? Huh? It's good. Yeah. Super hungry. Kasi hindi kumain ng morning and lunch and now dinner. Hindi ako nakainom ng tea. Kahit tea guys, hindi ako nakainom. Dahil sa sobrang busy. What? I'm good at eyeglasses, right? It's like that. It's Chinese. This is how the Chinese eat. Mmm. 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 Iinom na tayo. Baba, can you boil the water for tea? Green tea. Green tea. What do you want to drink? Okay, just boil it. Just press it. I try to take the veggies, not the noodles. I search what do you call that? The vegetables. Huh? No. Yeah, but another flavor. But they are both gingerbread. Yun lang, guys. I'm full. That's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow for another eating session with me series. Bye. Mwah. Like, share, and subscribe.